Where does the name for Cefn Meiriadog come from? So today I'm in Denbighshire and I'm just behind Llanelwy, or St Asaph, in a very small hamlet called Cefn Meiriadog. Let's get into the name. So the name is made of two parts. First, Cefn, which means a ridge, and Meiriadog, a person's name. Meiriadog was an early medieval saint famous in Wales, Brittany and Cornwall from some time between the 4th and 6th centuries. In Cornish he was known as Meiriazag, and in Breton as Meiriadag. There is a Cornish play from the Middle Ages, Beunan's Meiriazag, about his life. In that play he's a Breton from a ruling family who leaves Brittany after a failed marriage organised by the legendary founding king of Brittany, Cynnan Meiriadog. He comes to Cornwall, to Camborne, or in Cornish, Cambron, which means crooked hill, to preach. It's possible that during this time he came to this area to preach as well, but it's not recounted in the story, only remembered through the name of the place. It's possible he travelled here along the Roman road, which passed through here, linking Chester and Caernarfon. Eventually he returns home to found his own chapel in Josselin, which becomes very popular, and forces him to move to Pontivy to avoid the crowds. He also assists the Viscount of Rohan, a local lord, with brigands by causing fire to rain down on them from the sky. He was also a famed healer, and his holy well in Camborne was thought to heal people with mental health problems. There's a potential hill fort nearby called Bear the Cawr, meaning the grave of the giant, which, according to legend, is where a giant would sit and dip his toes in the river Elwy below. So the name literally means Meiriadog's Ridge. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch. Have a good one.